Nature is a source of comfort and tranquility for many people. The moment we step into its embrace, we are enveloped by a feeling of ease and contentment. The beauty of nature, with its lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and majestic landscapes, captivates our senses and soothes our souls. Whether it's the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind or the melodic chirping of birds, nature's symphony creates a serene atmosphere that eases our minds and brings us peace. The fresh scent of earth after rain invigorates our senses, while the warm rays of the sun caress our skin. Surrounded by nature's wonders, we feel a deep connection to something greater than ourselves. In this fast-paced world filled with chaos and stress, nature provides a sanctuary where we can unplug from technology and reconnect with ourselves. It reminds us to slow down, breathe in the air filled with life, and appreciate the simple pleasures that often go unnoticed. Nature has a way of awakening our senses and awakening us to the beauty that surrounds us every day.